Remember to save here for the last phase, and save your cooldowns during X for last guy. Alright, let's kick the crap out of Skull. Watch out for the overloads. Rune is down. Gonna get overload shortly, get ready to run. Move, overload. New rune is down. Good death grip.
Thanks. I didn't really want to, so it pulls melee out of the rune, but kind of had no choice.
Alright, finish off Skull. Alright, Skull's down. Now it's on X. Alright, stay away from the first rune when it goes out so we can get the rune of death somewhere else. Alright, let's try and move away from this a little bit. Everyone get away from the rune. About where Moon is, that should be fine. Try to bait it out over here, that way it won't go on the rune of power. Get ready to move, everyone. Rune of death's coming out any second now. Get ready. Oh, okay, perfect. We can get over there still.
Fire melee.
Green overlaps it a little bit, so be careful where you stand. Make sure you save them for... Oh shit, I'm lagging a bit. Alright, kill X. For a def in 10, be ready.
Big heals on AOR.
Get away from the rune of power, get away from it. Alright, kill X now, kill him.
I'm gonna taunt the boss in a couple seconds here.
Cast hero now. Everything in the heals if you got it. Everything you got, we got a nuke skull. I mean square. Cleanse the fusion punch and higher when it goes out.
Overpowers up. Cleanse.
Oh, I got you.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Everything you got, we got to nuke him here.
Let me know when you're like 5 seconds from dying so I can take
Range sprout a bit.
Cleanse. You got it, I got 30 seconds.
Range sprout.
it. 20 seconds.
Keep nuking him.
Don't get off of them. Keep on them.
5 seconds.
We did it. Good job, everyone.
Yes, good job. Hell yeah. Stay
All
away
right.
from me. Stay away from me.
Alright, I'm going to take the disc and start the quest to do the... I think it's... whatever the thing.
That's awesome.
Good job, everyone. Really good work. Hey, nice tank bug, too.
Yeah. You go ahead and take that, Jeremy.
Nice. Good job, everyone. Hard mode, done. Looks like I dropped an extra piece of loot, too, besides this thing.
Yeah, dropped a hard mode 239.